Twig Wall Hanging, a nature-inspired decor item. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, twig wall hanging. This phrase combines elements of nature and home decor, creating a unique item that many of you might find interesting. We'll break down each part of this phrase to understand its meaning and usage in English. Twig wall hanging is a compound noun, a type of noun where two or more words are combined to create a new meaning. Let's break it down. Twig, a small, thin branch that has fallen off or been cut off a tree or bush. Wall, the vertical structure that forms the side of a room or building. Hanging, an object that hangs or is hung on the wall as a decoration. So, a twig wall hanging is a decorative item made from small branches, designed to be displayed on a wall. Twig wall hangings are often associated with rustic or nature-inspired decor. They bring a touch of the outdoors inside and are popular in homes that favor natural materials and earthy aesthetics. These hangings can vary greatly in design, from simple, minimalist arrangements to more intricate and artistic creations. To understand how this phrase is used in context, here are a few example sentences. I bought a beautiful twig wall hanging from the craft fair. She decorated her living room with a handmade twig wall hanging. Twig wall hangings are perfect for adding a natural element to your home decor. I hope this video has been enlightening and has helped you understand the phrase, twig wall hanging. It's a great example of how English often combines words to create new meanings, especially in the context of culture and lifestyle. Keep exploring and learning, and you'll find that the beauty of language lies in its endless creativity. See you in our next video.